From insight to impact, using business analysis to make better decisions. Sherlock Holmes is the world's greatest detective because he can perceive what others overlook. Business analysis feels like that kind of deep investigation. You search through a massive amount of information to understand the macroscopic view through microscopic details. Your data, processes, and technology will tell you the story of what's happening in your business today. Understanding this story will help you make better decisions. The purpose of business analysis is to leverage data to understand needs, solve problems, and define valuable solutions. Now, some key problems business analysis can help solve include blowing budgets and timelines. Expectations are being unmet. Work overload. We're not being efficient. Or wasted time. We're not being effective. Customer satisfaction declines. We're not measuring ROI until it's too late, and you're doing the wrong work and you don't even know it yet. So how can business analysis help you make better decisions? Data can help us answer so many questions, but only if we know how to successfully leverage the power of data back to understanding the business goals. You do not need to be a technical expert with years of data analysis experience or be a credentialed data scientist. You simply need to know some basics on how both your business and the data is set up. Then, with a few good questions, you can pull together some powerful insights that help teams make informed business decisions. Business analysis provides an unbiased perspective on what is best for the overall organization and all the stakeholders included in the enterprise. It's solely focused on highest value delivery. Is that a perspective that would help you make better strategic decisions? According to MicroStrategy, only 14% of enterprises are making data and analytics broadly accessible to employees, with just 52% of frontline employees having access. Executives and management teams have up to 55% more access to data and analytics than frontline employees do. It's time to bring in some good business analysis when you're struggling to achieve results with your project, when you're trying to understand the details so that you can complete those RFPs successfully, and when things are simply not working as planned. So what does a business analyst do? Business analysis professionals like myself were originally hired to translate the geek speak to the business and back. Just make the teams work together and move on, right? We realized quickly that doesn't work. Being a ping pong ball does not move the game forward. To be successful, we realized we need to get IT and the business in the same room at the same time. The best way to do that is to tell a story with data. A story that describes the needs of the people, the processes, and the technology. Business analysts bridge gaps. In the past, business analysis has been the lifeline for business areas to communicate successfully with IT. The role has evolved to understand how technology is supporting work. Today, BAs contribute to strategic planning and business outcomes across all sectors, enabling organizations to transform complex data into actionable insights. Excellent BAs balance creativity with facts and metrics, so we can help to define valuable solutions for organizations. Using data analytics is a very effective way to have influence in an organization, said Harvard Business School professor Jan Hammond. If you're able to go into a meeting and other people have opinions, but you have data to support your arguments and your recommendations, you're going to be influential. So how do you bring business analysis into your organization? Start by asking these questions. Do I understand what need or opportunity is present? Do I know what information, systems, and technical capabilities the organization has to work with? Do I know which stakeholders I need to collaborate with, how to engage them to be successful? How will I measure my success? What is needed to ensure changes are lasting solutions? How will I present the results? Some benefits of business analysis. MicroStrategy surveyed 500 business intelligence and analytics professionals from organizations with 100 million or more in annual revenue to gain a global, cross-industry view of the state and future of data and enterprise analytics adoption. In the MicroStrategy's 2020 Global State of Enterprise Analytics report, they found business analysis. I skipped the piece. It's okay. Keep going. Rephrase. The report also found that 46% of enterprises are relying on analytics to identify and create new revenue streams, with 45% are using data and analytics to reinvent their existing business models and create new ones. Bottom line, business analysis gets results. Technology can be an easy fix to solve daily process challenges, but as you get into larger, more complex situations, sometimes we realize it's the process or even the people that needs to change. That's the value of a business analysis mindset. They don't see one solution, but they look at opportunities to leverage both existing and emerging solution sets. Business analysis is not just about enabling projects, but also about inspiring enduring change. Champagne Collaborations brings insight and expertise to support organizations to structure their business analysis, project management, and process improvement efforts. This not only provides immediate value, but also sets the organization up for continued success. We offer customized training both inside and outside the work environments, complements the project-based mentoring that keeps your organization moving forward. We make your projects sparkle, and we bring the fizz to your biz. Hi, I'm Jamie Champagne, and I'm more than just a passionate business analyst. I've been called a catalyst for innovation, blending multimedia facilitation with deep technical expertise to deliver groundbreaking solutions. With a career spanning over 2 decades, I wrote the book on business analysis, 7 Steps to Mastering Business Analysis, the second edition, which has helped countless organizations turn challenges into opportunities. When I'm not collaborating with my business partners, you'll find me collaborating on the Hawaiian waters with my friends and families on a surfboard. My mission: to ensure that your requirements not only meet needs, but also exceed expectations, while paving the way for enduring success long after the project wraps up. Rephrase? Can you go back one? My mission: to ensure that your requirements not only meet needs, but also exceed expectations, while paving the way for enduring success long after the project wraps up. Business analysis is how we turn insight to impact. Ready to harness the power of business analysis? Contact me to schedule a consultation or join one of our workshops. Let's transform your business insights into impactful actions.